Okay, for this kitchen cabinet, the style is straight line on one wall, and there are two color combination. The wood gray color is wood veneer, a natural wood veneer, and the glossy white color is PET finish. And there are another obvious feature of this set kitchen cabinet is free handle design. Later I will show you one by one of different free handle design. Okay. For base cabinet, as we can see, it's all drawer style. The free handle design for base cabinet is 40-degree cutting on door panel. When I need to open the drawer, I need to put my fingers inside and just open it like this way. Okay. As we can see, there are different models of drawers because we want to show customers more options for the drawer. Like this one, this is the ball drawer made by Ball, the normal option. And this one is tandem box in metal. This is another tandem box. And the middle one is the U-shaped drawer under the sink because we need to keep some space for the pipe under the sink. But we can use the space, so we make the U-shaped drawer to put some small stuff. Okay. And all the drawers with the under-mounted soft closing slider, as we can see this way. Okay, that's the base cabinet design for this kitchen cabinet. And I will introduce two pantries. Let's open the left one. This handle also free handle design. This another new handle is J-shaped handle, cutting on the door panel. And there are shelves and drawers for this pantry for storage. The shelves is adjustable, so that you can store different size stuff. It will be more flexible. And we make 3 drawers in the bottom because it will be more easy for you to use. And this drawer is balloon tandem box because if we put all shelves here, when you need to use the bottle area, you need to get down first and find something. If you use the drawer, you just pull out, then you can see everything in here. It's easy for use. The hitch also soft closing as well. Okay, let's see the right pantry. Maybe some friends will think this the same pantry as the left one, but actually it's not. I will show you. Yes, it's a built-in fridge because we want to keep the whole kitchen cabinet a beautiful looking. So we choose a built-in fridge for this kitchen. The door panel also the same free handle design. Okay, for the wall cabinets, we design two rows of different designs because the color combination is more modern and it looks more high-end. For this wall cabinets, as we can see, also no handle, and we just make the door panel 25mm extension. That's okay. It's easy to open, and soft closing hitch as well. Of course, you also can choose other colors if you want. If you like other colors, we can customize any solid colors for you. And under the wall cabinet, there's LED light. You can see this LED light is white color. We also can offer other colors of LED light just to meet your requirement. For the upper wall cabinets, there's another style door panel because it's in the upper area. Yes, my colleague Leo helped me to open it because of the height. As we can see, the door panel is opened up with the support. This type of door panel is horizontal door. Because we need to make everything reasonable and easy to use. So we offer the horizontal door for the upper wall cabinets. In this way, we also have more space for storage as well. Okay. In order to match such high-end wood veneer finish, we choose a marble look closed door for the countertop and the full backsplash. And in order to match the white color closed door countertop, we use the black color sink. This sink is different as the normal one we see because it's not made by stainless steel, it's made by closed door. It means except for stainless steel sink, we also can offer closed door sink. It's up to you. Okay, and the faucet is pull down base faucet like this way. We can see so that we can. It's easy for us to do the cleaning. Okay. Oh, maybe some friends already noticed. We also can make the LED light on the kicker as well, like this way, to match the LED light under the wall cabinet. And the important part is, except for this kind of wood veneer color, we also can customize different color of wood veneer finish. Because our factory is specialized in customized kitchen cabinets, we need to meet more customers' requirements. So we need to customize different colors according to different customers' requirement. Like this one is more light wood gray, and this one is wood gray color. Okay, if you have something you like or some colors, a specific color you like, you can contact us via the Alibaba and send us your requirements so that we can see what can we do for you. Okay. Okay, so I think that's all for this kitchen cabinet.